Let me show you a few things that will help you to win your trade. Let me just give you this so that you can be able to trade and be successful. It doesn't matter the amount you are using, but as long as you have like $50 in your account, you will double it. It's going to be good profit for you, because what I'm about to show you in this very strategy will surprise you. So let's go straight to the point. My name is GDFX, and in this video my intention is to open your eyes for you to see this and for you to be able to find possible entry point. And with these entry points, it can be easy for you why you lose sometimes, and possibly how to wait and be sure that your patience will pay off later. All right, now straight to the point. Now you know that this is Bollinger Band and this is the trend. All right, why many people fail is that they don't know the power of reversal point from the higher time frame. Let me show you this. Let me just do this. Listen, if you want to succeed and make good profit when it comes to forex trading, look at this. This reversal you are seeing here, from here, after this weak candle here, that ended up even to this very place. Here is 1 day. This is 2 days. Here is 3, 4, 5. Now, after here, the market went down. Now, as a forex trader that want to succeed and make money trading on forex trading, how do you make money? You know that we have Bollinger Band and we have so many of them. We have so many that you can use. But ordinarily, using candlestick, you'll be able to know that here is a rejection, and at the end of the journey ended here. So sellers took over from there and started going down. Then what is the need of this indicator, this Bollinger Band you are seeing here? What can it do? Because what I'm teaching you is how you can use this very thing to cast pipe. Now, after climbing up to this place, the market came down to this place, after which it tried to go up, the data came down, which is a spike. Now, immediately it crossed this line. Allow this candle to complete. Allow this candle to complete. Immediately this candle completes. If the next candle did not cross this place and get to the last place, it's going to spike. And once it has spiked and crossed the Bollinger Band, you have a greater opportunity to spike. This is on your day trend. Then why do people fail? People fail because what they should do in their higher time frame, they are doing it in their lower time frame. Get that straight. What they should be doing, some of the things they should be looking at for in the higher time frame, they are doing it in the lower time frame. What that simply means is that your day trend will be saying buy. Your day trend will be saying buy. Why your 1 hour time frame is saying sell. And with this, you can never be consistent in profit taking. Take it from me. With that mindset, with that kind of trading pattern, you can never make any profit. Take it from me. The only profit you make is just you'll be doing nearly, you enter, you jump out, so that is what you'll be getting. Now, if you want to be consistent in profit taking, no matter the amount you are using, no matter your capital, your equity, no matter how small it will be, please follow this simple strategy I am showing you now. Always remember this. Rule number 1. Always remember that market goes up and must come down. It doesn't matter how many days it takes. Let me show you. From here, this point, from here to this point, the whole market is solely on buy. If to count how many days this have taken without a complete reversal, it simply means that we'll have to count, like we'll count, let's assume at the total breakout, this is where the market breakout completely. So if we are to count, we should count day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, went down day 9, day 10, day 11, day 12, day 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Can you see? A whole 1 month, complete 1 month, the crash 500 remain on bullish position, which is uptrend, even from the higher time frame. What this simply means is that whatever that will be happening in that month will be of scalping. Majority of what will profit people will be of scalping. So if peradventure you made a mistake to be expecting spike, what you'll be trading is just these few things. Like in a day, like this one just happened in 1, 2, 3, 4, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it was spike. You catch spike. It was a bullish movement. Like this one is just 2 days. This one is almost a day. This one is also a day. But what I'm trying to open your eyes to see is this. For you to be consistent, for you to make good profit, for you to dip yourself into profit and come out successfully. I mean, even if you made a mistake to enter the wrong time, but even if the market went against you from your lower time frame, but because you are sure from the higher time frame, a little patience will do a magic. A little patient. Let's assume that somebody entered. Okay, let's assume that somebody entered from here at this breakout, from this very place, for a buy, and all of a sudden something just happened. Let's assume after this one came down like this at this point. Let me use this arrow to show you, and the thing went down like this. The person would think that that person is on lost, but that is not true. At the end of the day, you still have something to enjoy from here. So if you want to do scalping and successfully make huge money, look at what we have in the current day. Look at what we have now. Look at here, this very place now. The market that started from this angle, look at this curve, look at this one, it break out from here and it's still in downtrend. Now after here, this one has also broken out from this place, but it's not giving you a confirmed distance to move up. One of the things that confuse people is something like this. So if this thing now should break down a little bit and step out, always be careful to trade when the market is completely down. So if this thing should step down like this and continue trending, it may take like 2 days or 3 days, but be sure that you are on the right track. Once you have this, you are good to go. Just imagine something like this, and immediately this thing break out like this, and every other trade is going below this middle Bollinger Band. Everything that happens below this place is a sell, and everything that happens upward this place is a buy. And if this happened in your higher time frame, believe me, in your lower time frame, what you'll be seeing is pure strong up movement. Though that there are a few things you'll be seeing in your lower time frame which may make you look as if you are making a mistake, but I'm going to show you something that will help you to prove that you are not accurately wrong. Number one is this. For you to know that your lower time frame is in uptrend, know this. Let me show you. Let me show you this. Please follow this instruction. Just follow it. Just follow what I'm about to show you now. If you have like 200 moving average, for example, let me just show you this. You have 200 moving average, something like this, and this is 5 minutes time frame, and let's just put it that you want to do scalping, and the candle crossed like this until this thing breaks out like this and continue in that direction. I mean, from there it continues going down. Know it that the market have not changed direction in your higher time frame. That all these things, what you are seeing from here may be just one candle. So how do you know that the market have changed direction? Check below where the market reversed before going up until the market breaks down and cross the last support zone. The market have not changed direction. Take it from GDFX. Until this market breaks down to this area, the market have never changed direction. So how do I trade with this strategy and make profit? Number one, make sure that you will trade on a breakout. Make sure you do that. So somebody sent me a message and said, please, can you help me? Can you do a video and help me to know how I can place a trade even when market is on downtrend? How do we trade on this? Now listen, I have said this and I'll keep saying this. For you to place a trade on a downtrend, let's assume this is crash of 1000 and you want to place a trade on let's assume the market is down is on downtrend. Like presently now the market is partially consolidating. This is 4 hours. So you are asking me, how do you place a trade here? You can only place a trade here if this candle opened, or like what you are seeing here now. What you are seeing here, look at here too, look at this place, look at this place too. Are you seeing it? So this candle, what will be the direction of this candle now? And already it has a weak candle below and is having a weak candle up. So there is no how you can take a decision. That means you cannot possibly trade either buy or sell, even though this is a bearish candle, but the bearish candle is on challenge. How do I mean? Because it is making a movement, a zigzag movement, which means that it's going up, it's spiking, it's retracing, it's spiking. So you can't trade here. What you need to do is you step out of the market at the moment. Allow this candle to complete. If you want to be successful to trade on this, the best thing you should do, allow this candle to complete. If this candle should complete, this candle may possibly end as inverted doji, or it may end as indecision candle. So which means that the next candle will not give you the guidelines. So if the candle should open as a bearish, even though it is at the middle of not downtrend, not uptrend, you can still place your trade. For example, let me show you from here now. Let me use this one as an example. From here, this is 4 hours time frame. As this market opened and be going to this extent, anybody that entered here to scalp must have taken 10 to 15 to 20 candles. But that doesn't mean that the person is trading on the right place. So as you ask this question, my answer to you straight is this: please don't trade against the trend. It's not advisable. It's not advisable. Always look out for a breakout. What do I mean by breakout? Use one of the top time frames. Use moving average. Always look out for a breakout. Like if you can see something like this in a higher time frame, with this in your lower time frame is sell, 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 sell. Anything you are seeing that is trying to give you a buy signal is a first one, because this is the accurate signal that will give you what you want. So just look for a breakout. Like here now, like here, you can just place 200 moving average and place your Bollinger Band. This is Bollinger Band 200. Look at it, please. Bollinger Band 200. Somebody sent this message. My deviation is 1.165. That is what I'm using, and my period is 20. My period is 20. Okay, you choose any color of your choice. That is what I am using. Choose any color of your choice, please. Okay, this is how simple this thing can be, and anybody can do it. So for you to trade in your lower time frame, you can place your 200 moving average. This is 200 moving average. You can place it. If this thing will break out, if you want to scalp, if it will break out like this, you have to wait. It will test it. After testing it, it will go down. It will go down. Once it goes down, you are free to go, because from here now it has broken out, and once you have seen this, it will test it like 3 times, sometimes once, like here now, or sometimes twice. Like here it tested it 1, 2, and here now is the 3, and it started going down. That is how it always works. And this place now, watch 1, 2, 3, it couldn't, it went down. That is how the market works. There is no magic in these things. It's just all about knowledge. All right, so you can just place the 200 moving average. Just a simple tips. Just put that 200 moving average, place this Bollinger Band, stay clear and watch it. But my secret of what I'm sharing in this video is this: go to your higher time frame, look for a breakout in higher time frame. Believe me, if you can do that in your lower time frame, you have everything to enjoy. I know that some of my students in GDFS groups, I know that they will be saying, GDFS, what are you doing? Are you teaching them what you taught us? No, I am giving them what they need to know, and you have the bottom part. All right, so please, if all these things you are seeing here is difficult for you, don't know how to place trade, you don't have the knowledge, you are confused, all these things I'm talking just like a theory to you, you are confused completely, you don't know about candlestick, you don't know about price action, you don't know about entry point, that means you need a mentor, and GDFS is always there to assist you, and I will always try to help you as much as I can. All right, so feel free to relate with me. GDFX is always there for you. GDFS signing out. See you.